since you got it open on that, you're okay because this one's a little bit just on the edge.
Stay back.
Okay.
I'm gonna film it with this.
Okay.
I got it with this. Don't run through with
Move it
us.
back a little bit next time.
Not with the pistol.
Yeah,
Okay.
next time
Especially with Uncle John with a pistol.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm actually going to go over there.
He dropped his gun twice on the first day.
behind the average.
Right. He didn't have the right holster because he forgot his, so he wasn't used to it.
Any questions? With the 8 targets this side of the creek. Facing down range. Are you ready? Stand by.
Running kind of fast.
Pointing down range. Unload and show clear. If the gun is clear, hammer down the holster. Range is clear, safe to go forward and score. Time is 16:29 and you forgot the second doorway.
Oh! It felt quick.
What happened to the A-team?
He forgot the other doorway.
Did you see me move though?
Yeah.
See my round, Brian?
It's very important that you get all the rounds John. It's very, very important.
Here's your round, boy.
I didn't see it come out.
Are you shooting 40?
Yeah.
It's a little guy.
Run it dry? It's actually a bad spot to stop.
No, he popped one out.
There, oh, right there.
There would have been somewhere right here.
I actually, there it is. Good man.
Sweet action.
Okay, here's your patches.